चलना हमारा काम है। गति प्रबल पैरों में भरी, फिर क्यों रहूं दर दर खड़ा, जब आज मेरे सामने है रास्ता इतना पड़ा। जब तक ना मंजिल पा सकूं तब तक मुझे ना विराम है, चलना हमारा काम है। So here let me just give you a few word meanings. Gati is speed, prabal strength, dar dar is darwaza door, manzil destination, viram is to rest or stop. So here the poet says that when there is enough strength in my legs to keep moving ahead, then why should I stop at every door? Door is a metaphor here for any setback or failure in life. So he says, when you know that you can move ahead, when you have strength inside you, within you, then why should you stop at any failure or setbacks? जब आज मेरे सामने है रास्ता इतना पड़ा, when you know there's a long way to go, then why should you stop? Keep moving ahead. जब तक ना मंजिल पा सकूं तब तक मुझे ना विराम है, चलना हमारा काम है. Until and unless I reach my destination, there is no stopping me. I should not be resting or stopping. I should just keep moving ahead. चलना हमारा काम है. Just to keep moving ahead, to look ahead and keep moving forward is what we are supposed to do. Not stop and keep dwelling on our failures or setbacks. Just keep moving forward and you will reach your destination. कुछ कह लिया, कुछ सुन लिया, कुछ बोझ अपना बट गया, अच्छा हुआ तुम मिल गई, कुछ रास्ता ही कट गया. क्या राह में परिचय कहूँ, राही हमारा नाम है, चलना हमारा काम है. बोझ इज बर्डन, बट गया, बटना इज डिवाइड और शेयर. परिचय is introduction, rahi is traveler. So now he says, in this journey of life, what do? We sometimes share our feelings and thoughts with others. Sometimes we listen to others. And this is how we navigate this journey of life. And this is how we are able to go ahead sometimes. And then he says, in this journey, what kind of introduction can we give to one another? Except that we all know that we are travelers here. We are just navigating and going about our own journey. So, राही हमारा नाम है, चलना हमारा काम है. Our whole purpose is to reach our destination in this journey of life and we are all travelers here. जीवन अपूर्ण लिए हुए, पाता कभी खोता कभी, आशा निराशा से घिरा, हंसता कभी रोता कभी. गति मति न हो अवरुद्ध, इसका ध्यान आठों याम है, चलना हमारा काम है. अपूर्ण here means imperfect. Pata kabhi is to gain something. Khota is to lose something. Asha is hope. Nirasha is hopelessness. Avrud is stop. Aatho yam is 24 hours. So here the poet says, जीवन अपूर्ण लिए हुए, पाता कभी खोता कभी. Life is imperfect. Sometimes you gain something, sometimes you lose something. आशा निराशा से घिरा, हंसता कभी रोता कभी. Sometimes you're very hopeful and you're laughing, sometimes you're hopeless. There's a sense of hopelessness and you're crying. This is all life. Life is never going to be perfect or permanent in its happy state. You're going to feel all these emotions. गति मति न हो अवरुद्ध, इसका ध्यान आटोयाम है, चलना हमारा काम है. But what never stops or remains constant is day and night, the time, right? So, whenever we are feeling this, we should understand that nothing is permanent. Happiness is not permanent, so is sadness. So, we should just keep moving ahead with time. We should understand that, time is something that we are not in control of. So, we should also keep moving ahead with time. We should keep moving forward. इस विशद विश्व प्रहार में किसको नहीं बहना पड़ा, सुख दुख हमारी ही तरह किसको नहीं सहना पड़ा. फिर व्यर्थ क्यों कहता फिरूं, मुझ पर विधाता वाम है, चलना हमारा काम है. So, continuing from the last paragraph, the poet says, Vishad is vast, Vishwa is world. So, he says, in this vast, wide world, everybody is experiencing the same kind of emotions. There is sometimes laughter, there is sometimes sadness, there is hope, there is despair. सुख दुख हमारी ही तरह किसको नहीं सहना पड़ा. So all of us in this world has their own share of happiness and sadness. It's the same emotions that we all go through in this world. फिर व्यर्थ क्यों कहता फिरूं मुझ पर विधाता वाम है. Then why should I feel that I am the only one who is feeling this way? That, oh, this universe does not favor me. Why is this happening to me? Why should I feel that way? When I know that everybody in the world is going through the same emotions. Chalna hamara kaam hai. The only thing we can do is to keep moving forward without letting all these kind of thoughts come to us. मैं पूर्णता की खोज में दर दर भटकता ही रहा. प्रत्येक पग पर कुछ ना कुछ रोड़ा अटकता ही रहा. निराशा क्यों मुझे जीवन इसी का नाम है. चलना हमारा काम है. Here पूर्णता is perfection, खोज is search, भटकना is to wander, प्रत्येक is each or every, pag is step, roda is obstacle, निराशा is disappointment. So the poet says, मैं पूर्णता की खोज में दर दर भटकता ही रहा. I kept searching for perfection in my life wherever I went. प्रत्येक पग पर कुछ ना कुछ रोड़ा अटकता ही रहा. But what happened? Every time I tried to perfect something or search for perfection, there were setbacks. I kept stumbling upon obstacles or setbacks. निराशा क्यों मुझे जीवन इसी का नाम है. But the poet is telling himself that, but why should I be disappointed with these setbacks? Life is this. This is the meaning of life. चलना हमारा काम है. I should just keep moving ahead because life is all about facing challenges. Challenges will come your way. This is life. Why am I disappointed with it? साथ में चलते रहे कुछ बीच ही से फिर गए. गति न जीवन की रुकी जो गिर गए सो गिर गए. रहे हर दम उसी की सफलता अबिराम है. चलना हमारा काम है. सफलता is success, Abhiram is desired or most liked. So here he says that in this journey, when you are going and moving ahead in this journey of life, you meet different people, make friends, have companions. But what happens? They are sometimes not there with you throughout your journey. Sometimes halfway through they leave you behind, or they are not able to complete or overcome challenges along with you. But does the speed of life stop just because they are not with you? No. गति न जीवन की रुकी जो गिर गए सो गिर गए. But the time keeps going ahead. It is constant. It doesn't stop for anyone. रहे हर दम उसी की सफलता अबिराम है. चलना हमारा काम है. So who is successful here? The successful person is someone who overcomes these challenges without worrying about who is with him, who is not with him, and constantly keeps moving ahead to reach his destination is the one who is successful here. Challenges will come. So you should not worry if somebody is with you, somebody is not with you. You should independently keep moving ahead despite anything that happens. I hope this poem inspired you, motivated you to keep at it, to keep facing challenges, to not get disappointed or feel hopeless, or even when you do, to know that if you're feeling hopelessness now, it's just temporary. This poem is extremely inspiring and is a life lesson that we all need to constantly remind ourselves when we are facing challenges. I hope you like this explanation.